Hi guys, welcome back in this new episode of Detailing Guru, and in this one I'm going to show you how to use QuickDetailers correctly. For the past 10 years I've seen the use of QuickDetailers in so many wrong ways. My favorite one is when you go to car shows. The guys are arriving with the car with a lot of dust, and not only dust, there is debris on the streets, there is brake dust on the car. They use one towel and they start spraying their whole car with QuickDetailer and wiping it down. This might make your car a little bit shiny, but you will add some scratches as well. And this is for sure something that you don't want when you have a nice and glossy and even coated car. When do we use QuickDetailers? Well, in my honest opinion, the ideal way to use it is as a drying aid. After you have washed and decontaminated your car, do a couple of spritzes in your drying towel, and then you will not be dragging around debris over your paintwork. Of course, when the drying process is done, you can take a separate microfiber towel and do a final touch-up with a fresh one to remove any spots that you have left with, for example, your drying towel. Let me show you how I like to use it. Drying aid. This is my preferred way to use any type of QuickDetailer. First you take your drying towel, preferred drying towel, and you do a couple of spritzes inside of your towel to reduce drag. I do spritz on the panel and I start drying. So now I have a dry panel without any friction. I will take another microfiber towel to give it a final touch for that sharp finish. So the second method is after the drying process, the car is completely dry, and I will use it, spraying it in my first towel and try to remove all the leftover spots that I had from my drying process. So here we go, we spray it in the towel. And an important note is, make sure you have a secondary towel. I like to spray it first in the short nap towel, and I have a secondary longer pile towel to remove any possible residue that's still on the paint. By using this process, I never dragged any possible debris around the paintwork because it's clean. The only scenario in which I would use QuickDetailer dry is, for example, when I don't have access to any pressure washer or water and I have a big bird poo on my car. I have a QuickDetailer always sitting in my car, and then you can use the jet stream to have a lot of product on the bird poo, and with multiple towels I will reduce friction and try to take it away. It's always a better solution because when it stays on it for the next 2 hours, when you're driving home, it's done and you will need polishing. So in this case, QuickDetailer dry can be a great solution. So now you know my preferred method of using QuickDetailer. Please give it a try and let me know your feedback below in the comments. I'm out, see you soon, ciao!